how to remove a user account from your Windows. So whether it's a guest account or admin or whatever account, first you want to right click on the start button and then open up the settings. And then you want to click on the accounts section from here. Now you want to go to family and other users. And in here you should be able to find any other accounts that exist on your computer. And you should be able to also add or remove them from here. And the second way to do it is to basically open up the start menu and then search for control panel. Open it up and then change the view by to large icons. And from here you want to click on user accounts. And then you want to click on manage another account. And from here you also should see the list of all the accounts on your computer currently. So for example, currently I have only this account and I cannot remove it. You can also add new accounts if you click at the bottom here, and it should take you to the same page earlier. And from here you should be able to add new accounts as well as be able to remove them from here. If you select the account, you should be able to see a delete account button right here. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.